Okay, so here's the real tea. It's an okay wig. Is it worth the price? We're about to find out. Hey loves, it's your girl Shelone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shelone, as I just said, and I do hair reviews, natural hair stuff, fashion stuff, online stuff, yeah, in the realm of the beauty lifestyle, you know, yeah, all that jazz. So I wanted to do a review of the Amazon wigs. I purchased it November 24th because I wanted it for my trip on the 29th. I got it in time and everything, and I must say initially out of the bag it looked a little strange. I had to brush it out, and I had to brush it out for it to look nice and fluffy and give it a nice deep condition. This is not the wig that I'm talking about, guys. It's actually here in this bag. This wig is the same big wig that I bought from my first wig. I did a review on it, which I will link in the iCards. I bleached it and it looks good, but it doesn't feel great. But I still wear it because, I mean, I ain't gonna be spending a bunch of money on no hair, you know what I'm saying? So this is what the wig looks like. After 2 months, I must say I received so many compliments with this hair. And as you can see, you know, it's not that bad. I'm gonna put it on for you, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It's kind of gotten a bit thinner, but that's to be expected when you over bleach the knots. And because when you over bleach the knots, you technically damage the knots and it causes your hair to shed a little bit more. So I won't give them that. I'll put that one on me. But this is my first curly wig, and I don't know if curly wigs are supposed to do this. But guys, this is what the back is really matted. I know I read somewhere or I watched a video that said that this will happen with curly wigs, but like, let me just show you. This is the hair. This is me trying to put my fingers through it. This is the hair swinging from my fingers right now. Like, it's a matted mess. Let me see if I can show you guys. There we go. Literally a matted mess. So if you plan to wear this wig on a day-to-day basis, it's gonna look like this over time. I wore it every day for 5 days a week for 2 straight months. You understand? So it's gonna look like this. The parting space is okay. You know, it's not too bad. It currently has a side part now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash it, recondition it, and change the part to a middle part. I ended up paying $80 for it because I had a $50 Amazon gift card. But overall, do I think it's worth it? Yeah, I think you can buy it. But I wouldn't spend $130. I would probably get like, this one was, I think this one was a 16 or 18 inch. I'll put a link. I'll put it on the screen. I don't remember what length it was, but I would get a shorter length and pay a smaller cost for this because I don't think it's worth $130. So this is what the wig looks like, guys. It's really nice. Like I said, I got so many compliments. I'll put some pictures of what it looked like when I was wearing it. So it was really good. It looked really good. The lace is actually a really nice natural color, even though I do have a little bit of concealer and powder on it. After you put it on the lace, you really don't have to reapply. As you can see, guys, it's an okay wig. It looks good. Just don't brush it every day because it will shed, especially if you bleach the knots. Would I purchase it again? Yes. Because curly hair, it's really low maintenance. Like, I literally do just take it off, put it down, next morning pick it up, put it back on. That's pretty much it. Love it. Can't wait to wear it again. I'm just, you know, I'm trying not to be too tired by wearing the same wig for 3 months, 4 months straight, because I will wear it, you know. But yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just please be mindful about these reviews that you see online, because they're not wearing them for a month to let you know the cons. So that's the cons. I'll list them here on the screen so that you can summarize, and I'll put a link in the description box to where I got this wig from Amazon. Woo! Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.